we're absolutely better prepared for this coming PDS, the severe fire weather event. So we've not only augmented the ground resources, but also the air resources.
Absolutely it is, which is why you see everybody here standing united, prepared and ready to address what, if hopefully we won't experience, but we are ready, we are prepared, and we will continue to do everything we can to keep Angelenos safe.
The community needs to also understand you don't have to wait for the order. We saw the impacts, extreme impacts of the winds when what happened in Palisades. Our professional advice to anybody out there is to make sure you're ready, to make sure you have a plan. We talk about the pets, we talk about the medications. Put your plan together, be ready.